How to edit tweets on Twitter. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video I'll show you how you can edit your tweets on Twitter, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Now if you want to edit your tweets on Twitter, it's actually relatively simple, but first we will just discuss whether or not that is really possible and what are some of the possible ways you can actually edit a tweet. To do that, first, if I just go ahead and launch my Twitter application, and you can see some of the tweets I've made. If I want to tap on it, and if I tap on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen, you'll find that we have the option to pin, to delete, to mute the conversation, to view hidden replies, to change who can reply. But there isn't an option to actually edit this tweet. That is because editing the tweet is not officially available for all of the users across the globe. However, there is one exception, and that is that there is a newfound app called Twitter Blue. So you can actually go ahead and download the Twitter Blue app if you're on Canada, Australia, or New Zealand, and you can actually edit the tweets within 30 minutes of the time of posting. And tweets can only be edited up to a maximum of 5 times, and US access is also coming soon. So currently it is not available on the US and other regions. It is only available on Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. Because if I go ahead and try to show you the Twitter Blue application from my Play Store, you'll find that it's not actually available. So you have to actually download the Twitter Blue app, which actually looks like this. So if I just scroll down a little to the bottom, and if I show you, it kind of looks like this. It says Twitter Blue, so you have to make sure to download this version once it's available across the globe. I tried using the VPN and so on, but obviously that's not going to roll out yet. But keep in mind that once you have this Twitter Blue available, if it comes, then I'll update you. So make sure to actually subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification in order to get the update whenever there is the editing feature for Twitter Blue available. Hopefully this video answered your question. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.